A bird has finally found the food. There was another bird there earlier, but they went away as soon as I walked close there. This pigeon seems to be having a bit of fun. Eating... I don't know, there's another bird there too. Is that a second pigeon? Oh, that looks like the other bird that was there before. I put some bread down there, so it's gonna be pretty hard and crusty since it was like hot today, but it's something better than nothing, I guess. And if they had come earlier this morning, they would have found fresh bread there, you know, but since it's been out there all day, they're gonna find pretty dry, crusty bread, so it's still something that they can chew down. As you can see, the one on the right's having a bit of trouble with their piece of bread. It's going to be baked to the bone. It's not going to be able to be torn apart with these. I can't believe you ate it. It's taking his little bit of bread with him. Thankfully, it just took 8 hours for you to notice that there's bread down there. I thought it was going to be left there overnight tonight, but they finally found it in the end. See, I didn't just abandon them. They just think I have until they find that I put something in the yard.